Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn new craft technique, Tunisian crochet. Tunisian crochet is nothing but combination of crochet and knitting. We are going to see the detailed information about Tunisian crochet. Before going into the video, if you think I'm explaining very slowly, you can increase the speed of the video in the setting. Come, let's start our video. As I say already, Tunisian crochet is a combination of knitting and traditional crochet, but the different is the handling of stitches, and in Tunisian crochet they use elongated hook. Tunisian crochet hook is a combination of knitting and the crochet hook. It has an elongated body like a knitting hook. In the head part, it's look like a crochet hook. It also has a different size of a hook like a crochet hook. Now we'll see the history of Tunisian crochet. A Tunisian crochet found in 1857, but it was not named as a Tunisian crochet, but it was used as a form of a crochet. After that, Tunisian crochet was named by the American publication in 1862. Now we will compare the Tunisian crochet with knitting and crochet. In crochet we work one stitch at a time, but in Tunisian crochet we hold the entire row in our hook. The stitches and the hook is similar to the knitting, but the difference is in knitting we use the two needle to work, but in Tunisian crochet we use a single hook to work. As I said before, Tunisian crochet hooks looks like this. Elongated hook with the size measured on the top of the hook, but it don't have any handle like a crochet hook. It has a soft elongated hook. Two main steps used in Tunisian crochet. One is the forward pass, another one is a return pass. In forward pass, stitches are gathered onto the hook as we work, like as shown in this video. Like this, we will gather all the stitches on our hook. In return pass, we will stitch the stitches which is gathered in our hook without turning our work. Like this, like as shown in this video. This is the two main steps we used in Tunisian crochet, but in crochet we used to work one stitch at a time, but in Tunisian crochet we will work entire row of stitch at a time. As like a crochet and knitting, in Tunisian crochet can also be worked in a round, as when making a seamless cap. To work in round, we will use double-ended crochet hook and the two ball of yarn. This is because if you use the one ball of yarn means it will be suffocating for us to work. In forward pass we will use one hook and one ball, and in return pass we will use second hook and the second ball, and we will also use flexible wire to connect the two end of double-ended hook. As like crochet and knitting, Tunisian crochet also has some symbols and it names. We will see this detailedly in our next video. In Tunisian crochet, Tunisian simple stitch is the most common stitch used in Tunisian crochet. Other than this, Tunisian half double crochet, Tunisian double crochet, Tunisian knit stitch and goblin stitch crochet. This all the stitch are used in Tunisian crochet. We can do the blanket, shawl and everything by the help of this. And another important thing is when we are working in a blanket or a shawl or sweater, for the long project we can't able to work in the one single elongated hook. For that reason, at the end of the Tunisian crochet hook we can also attach the flexible cable for the long project. Tunisian crochet also commonly known as an Afghan crochet. There is so many names for the Tunisian crochet, but most commonly they use Afghan crochet. And they said Tunisian crochet is faster than the crochet and knitting because we don't need to turn our work. when we are working. Without turning our work, it will be very faster to finish our work, and also stitches are longer, so it reaches the end very fast. In our next video, we learn to work Tunisian crochet, handling the Tunisian crochet hook. If you don't want to miss that video, means subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you like the way of my explanation, means please like, share and subscribe to my video. Share this video with your friends and family and the crochet lovers. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.